Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about an important topic, and the topic is how to fix stuck loading screen in CarX Street in 2025, and it will be an easy method I am going to share with you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are on Steam and this is our CarX Street games. So we are want to install it in our desktop. So if we are experiencing a stuck loading screen in CarX Street in 2025, you are not alone. Many players have reported similar issue, but there is several effective solution you can try to get back on the road. First of all, how you can fix this problem. So there is several methods. I am going to give you one by one. First one will be clear cache and data. So if you are using iOS, then go your navigation setting general. This is the similar process you do with whatever apps you want to fix. So just clear your cache. This is one of the method. Then second method will be use a VPN temporarily. Some players have found that using a VPN help bypass the loading screen issue. So you can try this one. Next, you can ensure a stable internet connection. So a slow or unstable internet connection can cause loading issues. So always check out that your internet connection is stable or not. A stable connection is crucial for CarX Street to load properly. So you need to be minded always. And fourth number is update the game. Ensure you are running in the latest version for CarX Street. So developers often release updates to bug fix and improvement performance. So always make sure that you are using the updated version of CarX Street. Then if you are facing this problem again, then reinstall the game. If the above step don't work, try reinstall CarX Street. This can resolve issue caused by corrupted files or incomplete installation. So these are the simplest way to fix your problem. I hope this video was informative for you and you gain so much knowledge from that video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.